Welcome to the Wolver channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to deploy your own token on any blockchain. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and go to remix.eth. That's remix.eth. This is where we'll write and deploy our smart contract. Step 2. Create a new file. Name it something like mytoken.sol. Make sure it ends with .sol. That's the extension for Solidity files. Step 3. Paste your token's smart contract code into this file. If you don't have one, no worries. Just message me on Telegram, and I'll send you a ready-to-use contract. Link to my Telegram is in the description. Drop me a message saying token contract, and I'll hook you up. Step 4. Compile the contract. Click the Solidity Compiler tab, select the right compiler version, and hit Compile. Step 5. Time to deploy. Go to the Deploy tab, connect your wallet, like MetaMask, choose the right network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, whatever you want. In the top of the smart contract, you will find this big number here, copy it, and paste it on WEI value section, add your name, supply, and your symbol, and click Deploy. After that, copy the contract address and go to your wallet, import token, paste your contract address. Boom! Your token is live on the blockchain. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Want the contract? Telegram me, I got you.